the CBDC or E-rupee. RBI is also in fact pushing for E-rupee like never before.
Yeah, so the pilot for the call money market use of CBDC is likely to be put out there before August or by August. That's the indication.
I think.
By October, sorry. Yeah. August is past. by October. The call money markets are markets where interbank transfers happen between financial institutions at interbank rates. The interest that is charged is the interest that banks pay when they lend and borrow money from each other, and these are short-term transactions, the call money market. So a pilot for the call money market is going to be launched by October this year. Pilots for the wholesale market, that the EW was launched in November last year, and for the retail market ER was launched a month later in December last year, and those have been successful. They are still on. So we are moving from the story of crypto to E-rupee and the CBDC, which probably in one way could counter crypto.
All right, so somebody who does not really understand what is a call market, what does it really mean, what is RBI doing, break it down for us, Kartik. People like me who have perhaps no idea of what you're saying.
So I think, call market is basically when a bank is lending to another bank. You're taking, something in a great B2B context. It's the call market. But I think what is important here, let's understand it in the context of, let's say, wholesale versus retail, right? Okay. Now, retail usage is when you go to the market and you want to buy something, you, instead of paying 100 rupees cash, you transfer from your CBDC wallet or a wallet which supports CBDC, you transfer a 100 rupee E-rupee token to make that transaction, right? So that is the retail usage. That retail usage has also run its few pilots, very small quantum of pilot exercises. But what is really likely to happen first is the whole wholesale use of E-rupee, which means that if a bank owes another bank or needs to transfer another bank, let's say 500,000 rupees, right? Those 500,000 rupees, instead of them being a wire transfer, would now start becoming an E-rupee wholesale transfer, right? Or when the RBI liquidates banks using the repo rate mechanism, right? Or when banks send the money back to RBI using the CRR, the cash reserve ratio. So any bank-to-bank transfer would first get initiated using the wholesale version of E-rupee, and thereby making banks understand and become familiar with this whole E-rupee ecosystem, the concept. And thereby, I think the E-rupee retail would be an easier rollout, that if banks have enough E-rupees stashed in their deposits, right, or in their reserves, then anytime a customer comes and wants to withdraw cash, perhaps customers could also be enticed to use part cash, part E-rupee. So let's say you want to withdraw 50,000 rupees, you take maybe 25,000 rupees in cash, and 25,000 rupees of E-rupee gets transferred to your wallet. So, maybe like this, the whole use case is going to build. But what I still don't understand is what is going to eventually come out of it, because I think the UPI
we'll try and
does the job
understand in
very
the next 5 to 6 hours before we come back to you with the next bulletin on what E-rupee push means. But I have to be honest, until I feel it in my hand, it does not count. And I think that's going to be the case for a lot of people to simply replace your physical note with
As I understand, it's going to be like a sticker, right? It's going to be like you've got 500 rupee stickers that are 500 rupees. You can feel it. You can feel UPI, right?
You scroll it on your screen.
So you swipe one off. To me, I get those 100 rupees. You're left with 4 stickers. I get one of your 100 rupee stickers.
Brilliant. And so we will try and understand the utility of the RBI's new push